guys, for today's video, I'm super excited because I'm doing something a little bit different. I thought I would challenge myself to do an entire room transformation only using Amazon products. So that is what we're gonna do for today's video. Amazon actually has a ton of awesome furniture and home decor, and I thought this would also be a good video, not only to give you guys inspiration on how to make over a room, but let's say you just moved in somewhere and you're getting a little antsy and you really wanna decorate quick. We all know that Amazon has the best shipping and it's super fast, so this can all be put together really quickly. So I thought I would share that with you guys for today's video. I'll have a link in the description box down below with everything I used on today's makeover. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn post notifications on if you haven't already, and let's jump right into the makeover. So this is essentially the canvas that we're starting off with for the makeover. Unfortunately, this couch is not from Amazon, but I did find one that looks exactly like it for like 5 times less than what this couch costs, and it has amazing reviews on Amazon, pretty much like 95% positive. So I will link that down below with everything else. And then also this is just like my little media stand. It's actually an IKEA buffet, and believe it or not, Amazon is a great place to find IKEA items if you don't have an IKEA close to you. So first things first, I wanted to add in some sort of artwork or wall hanging. Amazon has amazing canvas pieces, but in particular, I found this little macrame hanging, and I already had that pole hanging up, but if you don't have one, you can just get a curtain rod or even like a little towel rod and hang this up in your living space. Okay, so how I'm attaching it is, as you can see, there's larger holes, so I'm literally going to take my time and interweave the little bar into each of those little larger areas. I think it's just gonna create an extra little textured element and kind of hide the wooden bar and make it almost look like it's more so like floating there, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna repeat this process all the way down until I am done. So now that that's all woven on, all you have to do is just kind of pull it and extend out to cover up any like pole or whatever hanging you are using. And then you're just going to hang it up by whatever you are using, and you might need to make a few minor adjustments and kind of pull it behind the couch. But this is what the finished hanging up piece looks like behind the couch. This definitely reminds me of a piece that they have at Urban Outfitters, and it is $200 at Urban, and this one is nowhere near that price, so definitely a steal for what this is. And you could actually use this in so many different ways. I just thought it would look really great behind my couch. So another thing that I absolutely love decorating with is Pampas Grass. I have some here, and honestly, I got mine off the side of the road, but I noticed from showing it in different videos, a lot of you guys live in places where you can't get it. However, Amazon saves you in that department because Amazon actually sells Pampas Grass. It's varies in price, but if it's an option for you to be able to buy it when you can't find it where you live, I think that that's awesome. So I just like styling it very simply, just putting it in little vases like I'm gonna do here, and I just kind of like move it around until it looks the way I want it to. And again, a very affordable thing to decorate with. Fall is coming up, and this is like a really great thing to just have in your house for fall. Now I've added in one of my all-time favorite Amazon pieces. It is this faux plant. It is super realistic, and I think it's great value for the cost. I paired it with this pot that's also from Amazon. It's just a matte white, and it's totally gorgeous. So altogether, this combination is a lot cheaper than the comparables. I know CB2 offers a tree about this size, and they actually charge $300 for a fake tree like this. So I definitely made this combination of the plant and the pot with Amazon for definitely a lot cheaper than that. Another thing when it comes to decorating that can get really pricey are rugs, but Amazon has some that are super affordable and look just as trendy and just as good quality as the other rugs that you guys see all over Instagram that are way more expensive. So I opted to get this one because I really like the pattern as well as the tassels on the end. So as far as the coffee table goes, this one was actually sent to me by Safavia, but it is available on Amazon. So I went ahead and purchased another one with my own money because that's how much I love this table. It's a concrete table, it's indoor, outdoor. It definitely looks exactly how it shows in my video. I know one of the reviews on Amazon talks about the color. It's showing up here true to color. The photo on Amazon does make it seem like it's a little bit lighter, but it's not. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add the one that I just purchased from Amazon next to it, kind of to create a longer coffee table, but I'm not gonna put it directly next to each other, if that makes sense. So this is what both of them look like side by side. I didn't connect them completely because when you have them side by side like this, it actually is gonna make the room appear larger, but you're still getting that larger space if you need it for a coffee table, which I definitely do. So I think that this whole little setup here works great. So to keep things super minimal, I'm only styling one of the coffee tables and I'm just putting a few things on it. I just have these amazing crystal coasters that I recently purchased from Amazon that are awesome. If you guys remember my little faces vase, I already had that from Amazon. Amazon's a great place to find also designer home decor really cheap. I got that vase a lot cheaper than it normally retails for, and then I just put my Palo Santo sticks in it, and then I topped it off with a clear vase. Next, I'm adding in some pillows just to add even more textures to the room. This first one is a faux leather. It came in a set of 4. It's such an awesome steal because you get 4 pillow covers basically for the price of 1 faux leather cover, and then this next one came actually with the pillow insert as well. So both of those are an awesome deal, and I just think they tie in the whole space nicely. Now moving back on over to this side with the media console, I wanted to again just add in simple pieces. I didn't want to overcrowd or clutter the space. So on one side, I'm going to add in just a stack of my favorite books. Some of these I did purchase at HomeGoods, but I did mention before in another video, you can find some awesome deals on books on Amazon. Also, sometimes it's harder to find these like Chanel and designer books if you're going to HomeGoods because they tend to go very quickly, but you can pop on Amazon at any time and get an awesome deal on these books, and they double as really cute decor. For the right hand side, I added in this mid-century modern table lamp. I just think it adds even more light to this space. We're getting a lot of light in from this awesome mirror, but it's great to have even more light because in this space I do not have any recessed lighting. Definitely crazy to think that this entire room was transformed just by a few clicks on a computer. Not only is Amazon like super affordable, but it's also really convenient. I think that's why I'm so obsessed with it. I hope this video was able to inspire you to do some new decorating or just refresh the space that you already have. I hope you guys enjoyed that Amazon room transformation with some of my favorite home options that they have. Again, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below. And if you haven't already, please click that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!